Okay. So I'm going to show you a few things. Have you ever seen this before?
Yeah.
You have. Do you know what it's called?
No, I don't remember.
It's called a reckon rack. Do you know what it's used for?
No.
No? What do you think? Play with it. It's kind of like an abacus. Have you heard of an abacus before? Well, it's a tool that you can use to help you add or subtract. So if I said to you, what's 5 plus 2? And you didn't know, you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's easy.
1, 2, and then you could add them all up.
That's
Yeah.
easy then.
Yeah. So do you know how many are on top?
5 and 5, that's 10.
Mm-hmm. And then the bottom also has
10.
10. So here's, yeah, so 20 altogether.
Yeah.
So you could use that if you wanted to add. Okay. Have you ever seen one of these before?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is this?
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. If I said, what's 8? 7 plus 7, you know. From 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Awesome. So this is a number line that you can use to help you add or subtract. And then I've got one more thing. All right. Have you ever seen that before?
100%.
Yeah. Can you use this to help you add? Yeah. So I'm just going to put these here. And if you decide that you want to use them, they're there for you to use. Okay? All right. So now I have these. Two different colors. You know what these are?
No.
You never seen these before?
I have at school.
Yeah, at school. Do you remember what they're called? They're called base 10 blocks. These are ones. So you count by ones. And you know what these are called?
10.
Tens. Okay. So the first thing we do is you're gonna use these to help you show a number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you this number. What number is that?
35.
35. Can you show me 35 using the base 10 blocks? Awesome. Good. So if you're going to show 35, which ones are representing the 3?
This one.
This one. So do you think these should be on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then those on that side to represent the ones.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right, let me show you something. You ever seen one of these before?
No.
Okay, this is it's called a place value mat. So when I showed you this number 35, this would help you know that the 10s go here and then the ones go on here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you know what this little box is called inside the ones place? Ever heard of a tens frame? It's like a tens frame. So it can fit 10 ones in there. Okay. All right. So we're gonna
If you fit 10 in there, you have to put one in.
You're right. Yeah. So do you want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and try that.
Now I have to take all these off and I'll put one in here.
Awesome. And then how many do you have?
40.
40. Okay. Do you think you're ready to use this mat to add numbers?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's clear it off. Okay. And I'm going to give you this first piece of paper. Okay. Right out of room. And I want you to use this mat to solve this first problem. Can you read it for me?
25 plus 12.
Okay, go ahead and use your mat to solve that.
I already know I'm gonna have to put another one of those. $32.
32. Can I take a picture of that?
Mhm.
I'll push these out of the way. Okay. You ready for another one?
Yeah.
Clear off your board. All right. Now I want you to solve this one. 34 plus 18.
Oh gosh.
Okay. What'd you get?
33, 52.
52. Awesome. Okay. Now you need to do this. You make another one, but this time it's gonna be a word problem. All right. Now I'll read it to you, but you use your blocks to put the information on here. Okay. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
The Pittsburgh Steelers scored 2 touchdowns in the first quarter to total 14 points. In the second quarter, they scored only 1 touchdown for 7 points. How many points do they have at halftime?
I already know.
Okay.
We didn't even do it
Well, go ahead and do that. What do you think it is?
I know it's 21.
You know it's 21. Okay, make sure you're right.
8. So we only 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 14. And then plus 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? It miscounted.
Okay.
Alright. And then
Okay. So how'd you miscount? How'd that happen?
oh, I was counting and I think I skipped a number.
You skipped a number?
Yeah.
Okay. But then you realized your mistake?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you already knew it was 21.
Yeah.
Because you know football or because you know math?
I know football and
And you know math. Awesome. Okay. So let's clear this off. Now, this time you're going to do something using pictures. I'm going to give you a pencil. Okay. Now, I'm going to take these away now. Do you know what these are?
Yeah.
They're pictures of the
Yeah.
base 10. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to add these up and write your answer down next to it.
Okay. 40. 50.
Did you have to regroup?
All I did is just said 40 and then counted these.
You counted those. So if this was written with numbers instead of pictures, do you think you would have had to regroup?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now here's another picture. And I'm going to read it. It's a word problem. And you're going to choose the picture that answers this.
Okay.
Okay. It says TJ practiced karate 37 times last year. This year, he'll practice a total of 45 times. How many times will he practice karate in the past 2 years?
45 plus 37. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then no,
How do you know that's not it?
because I got 27.
You get 27. What do these represent?
Tens.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying. You
Yeah.
said you got 20. You got 45 plus 27.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. It didn't equal 27. That's too low. That's way too low. That's too low too. So it's this one.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'll also check.
Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
Awesome. Good job.
Hey.
Okay. Last one. You're doing awesome. Oh, where's it? Oh, here it is. Okay. This time, I just want you to rewrite this problem, 49 plus 17. So it's written vertically. Means it's horizontal. Vertically means it's written the numbers one on top of each other. You know what that means?
Yeah, I do that.
Okay. I want you to do that and add it up.
Okay. So I don't remember if it's minus that you cross them both out, the both two. If you have to regroup, you cross both out. I think you just. Well, I don't even think you do. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 plus 7. Mac. So that 9 plus 7 is 17. It can't equal 617, which
Think about how you use the base 10 blocks to add.
Okay.
And if you had those to use, how would you add this up?
I would have. I'm gonna use my computer. 4 10s and 9 1s.
You can make pictures if you need to.
Oh. I'm just gonna say this. Four. Hey, buddy. And then 1. What's my head? This is my computer. Just realized this teachers. This is mine? Yeah. This is mine. 9 and then 49 plus 10 is 59. So 59 plus 7. There we go. 7, 7, 2, wait, 59, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then that's 59 plus 7. So that makes 1 more is 10. So 60 plus 6. 66.
Good job. Okay. You ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
All right, same thing. I want you to write a problem like this from the information I shared.
Okay.
Okay. Jack has 32 baseball games this season. Joe has 18 games this season. Allie has had 64 volleyball games this year. How many of your brother's games will you have to watch?
So 18 plus 32. That's 5. 32, 18. 2 plus 8 is 10.
Buddy!
3 plus 1 is 5. And then 10 again. So it has to go to a 0.
So
Good job. Yeah, awesome, TJ. All right. We're all done, but what I would like you to do, what I want to do is I want to show you how to add this a little bit easier than having to draw all these pictures, okay? And also to show you just something to help you so you don't make a mistake later. All right. I'm gonna put 36 plus 28. All right. So when you're adding or even when you're subtracting numbers, you always start in the lowest place value. So with these, which is the lowest place value? Which column? The
28, bottom.
Well, so what is this called? The ones or tens?
The ones.
And this is the
10.
10. So we're always going to start with in this case, it's the ones. So I want you to add up 6 plus 8.
14.
14. So I'm going to write 14 here. Which one of these digits is in the ones place?
The 4.
The 4. So that means the 4 is going to go here in the ones place.
Oh.
And this digit is in the what?
The 10s place.
So where's that going to go?
Right here.
It's going to go up here to add.
Here. And
like-
then 3 plus 2 equals 5 plus 1 is 6.
Awesome. Because what I noticed over here is you were adding this and you knew to put the 1 over here, but you were getting confused as to what should go here.
Yeah.
And same thing here. You need to carry the 1 over and you put the 5 first and the 0 second. You should always add the lowest place value first. So add this up and put it here. I'm going to give you another one to practice. I'm going to do that one.
Okay. So 7 plus 6 is 13. And it's gonna go. So 3 is gonna go here, and then a 1's gonna go up here, and then 2 plus 3, 4.
Good
What is it?
job. Okay. Let's see another one.
Eight plus 4 is 12. The 2 is going to go here. And then the 1 goes up here.